Hey everybody, it is Karen with Are You Prepared Mama, and today I'm going to show you how to make tomato sauce in only 10 minutes of active effort. So when we make our tomato sauce, the secret to the fact that it doesn't take a whole lot of time is that we do not peel, we do not core our tomatoes. All we do is we quarter our tomatoes and then we cook it in the crock pot until it is cooked down so that it is about the consistency of tomato sauce. And that is what I have here. I have tomato sauce consistency, but it still has the skins, it still has the seeds, it still has the cores in it. So how do we get all of that out so that it doesn't take that much time for us when we make the sauce? I have something known as a sauce maker. So what this sauce maker does is it's going to separate the pulp from the sauce. The pulp will come out here, the sauce will come out here, and then I can take that and either freeze it or can it, or in my case, I'm going to freeze dry it. So let's take a look at what it is to make tomato sauce from our tomatoes. All right, so here we have our tomatoes, and I'm going to start our tomato sauce-like mixture. I'm going to use my measuring cup, and I'm going to fill the hopper. You'll see that there is some sauce already starting to just come out of the bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the crank that's on the back of this, and sauce comes out the front, and it takes a little bit longer for the pulp, but you'll notice that the pulp is already starting to come out the front. That separates the skins, that separates the seeds, that separates any of the cores. So you don't have to take a lot of time and effort to make your tomato sauce. It cuts the time exponentially. And it works really, really well. You just have to get the whole thing set up right. So we've already gone through most of what I put in the hopper. I'm going to add the rest. This is from one crock pot of tomato sauce. Okay, I think we have gotten everything through. How quick and easy was that? This is a sauce master. I will link to it below in the comments so that you can check this out if this is something you'd be interested in getting. It has cut our time down on making tomato sauce so much. We just simply use two bowls. We use a glass dish, a baking dish, like a 9x13 baking pan, and that will, as you see, we get about a whole crock pot worth of, when we start, the crock pot is full, we cook it all down, but that fills our 9x13 baking pan. Now, we're going to take this and we're going to transfer it to our freeze dryer sheets, and we're going to freeze dry our own tomato sauce. But quick, simple, easy, less than 10 active minutes to make your own tomato sauce for your family. So don't forget, as you are working on your garden and you're harvesting your tomatoes and you want to make your own tomato sauce, it's so simple, quick and easy when you have the tomato sauce maker. And as you're doing that, don't forget, you got this, Mama. Now make sure that you subscribe below, like, and comment on this video. That way you're going to see more great tips that we have coming your way.